Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Koala AI. Now, this video is going to be different than pretty much every single Koala AI video you're going to see on YouTube. And if you're not familiar with what Koala is Koala is an AI writing tool powered by GPT that basically can write blogs for you. Now, it doesn't post it on your website or anything like that, but what it does is it has internal prompting systems that can go ahead and write these articles for you. Now, the reason why I'm making this video, guys, is I'm a big software freak. I'm a big software junkie. But to be honest, I just don't think this software is needed. I'm just going to keep it real. You know, I'm really big on paying for softwares, using softwares, having all kinds of softwares. First of all, it's a tax deduction. And second of all, they're cool to use and they help you run your business better. But honestly, I think with this tool, it's really not needed. And I hate to say that, but it's just true. I mean, that's the reality. And most of the people making videos on Koala they have huge sponsorship deals with this company. Now, there's nothing wrong with the sponsorship. In fact, I'm pro sponsorship, I'm pro affiliate, I'm pro all that stuff. I'm all for selling products, making money, etc. But to be honest, what Koala Writer does is all it does is write an article for you, but they add the prompt. So if you look here, what it does is if you wanted to write a blog post, you'll select blog post, right? The target keyword, you add your keyword, right? Select the tone of voice, English language, right? And what point of view. You can do the exact same thing by telling GPT to write me an article. So you literally say, write me an article, write me a blog post with the target keyword of, and then you write it. And then with the tone of voice of, and you select your tone of voice in the English language using the point of view of third person. And it will do exactly that. And so I actually want to do a comparison on this. So let's go ahead and hit create article here. And it will go ahead and do this for you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to jump in here. And I'm going to use the same criteria to create a GPT prompt. Okay? And the reason why I'm making this video is because it's important for everybody to understand the power of GPT so that you can learn how to prompt properly. All right? So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to write on GPT using the information that Koala is asking. All right? So I'm going to go over here, Koala Writer, and I'm going to say, write me a blog post, because that's what it is. Write me a blog post. And then what we have is the target keyword with the target keyword of can you eat watermelon seeds with the target keyword of can you eat watermelon seeds. Okay, let's go ahead and put quotations around this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to keep continuing adding to this prompt where we go over here. And then we're going to write, make sure the article is SEO optimized. Make sure the article is SEO optimized with a tone of voice that is, let's go ahead and click on this, that is confident, knowledgeable, neutral, and clear. Confident, knowledgeable, clear, and what else? Clear and neutral. In the third person point of view. In the third person point of view. We don't have to really write English because it will go ahead and already assume that here. Let me go ahead and add the word knowledgeable and spell it right. All right. And go ahead and make sure all my grammar is correct. And then we'll go ahead and compare the articles, right? And then I'll hit send. And it will start to do that for me. All right. Now, that's not a complicated prompt. That's actually, I mean, it's neutral. I mean, it's in the middle, right? It's in the middle. Let's say mediocre. But anyways, if we go ahead now and view the results, so let it do its thing, and it is taking a little while. I'm not gonna lie, it's taking a little while, but it's doing its thing, and we can go ahead and read now. So it says, "Can you eat watermelon seeds? Everything you need to know." So here's the intro, and then here's a few sections to the article. Right, here's a few like bullet points and things like that. And then let's see what this produces, excuse me. So can you eat watermelon seeds? The answer is yes. Now, if you see here the difference, right? This one has like outlined headings, which doesn't make a difference. If you ask the GPT to produce that for you, it will do that for you. It's all a matter of just learning how to prompt properly. And you can see here, you can do the exact same thing. In fact, if you just go ahead and ask it to write an outline, it will do that for you, and it will provide different headlines just like this for you. So is it worth the $9 or whatever it is, $9 per month? To be honest, $9 a month is not a lot of money. It's just not. However, if you were, let's say, starting a blog, and most people who are starting a blog are on a very tight budget, or they're just not really aware of what kind of profits they can generate, and they're really frugal when they start on their business, then I would say you could just take this and put it towards hosting or put it towards something else. If you're really on a budget and you're really trying to save money, then that's what I would do. This $9, if you put that towards, let's say, Rocket Web Builder is a place where you could build your website. They have GPT AI, not GPT, sorry. They have AI built in. So if you go over here to pricing, $13 a month, right? You can save money by not essentially paying for this software. It's really not that advanced. It doesn't do that much work for you. It writes 15,000 words per month. With the free GPT, you can write as infinite number of words per month. I actually had the paid GPT-4. Now I'm back on the free again because there's really not that much of a difference. I could go over here and say, outline this article for me in headlines format with H1 to H6 structure. Right, so I could do that, and it will provide the outline for me. Is it a little slow? Sure, it's a little slow, but it's free. I feel like the most important thing in your blogging journey is just learning how to be able to, right now, prompt properly. That's the most important thing. All these tools do is they just take all the effort out of it, right? They just take the effort out of the prompting. Sorry if my speech is a little slurred. I'm a little tired, but the point here is that this is not going to do something for you that's never been achieved before. Okay, the engine that creates the content, meaning the words, is the same exact engine. Whether it's Koala, whether it's OpenAI, whether it's whatever it is, it's all the same engine. So right now, currently in time, GPT produced by OpenAI or GPT-3 is the most advanced language model, right? It has the highest ability right now amongst all of them, even better than Google Bard. I'm just going to keep it real. But that doesn't mean it could be beaten in the future. But Koala and all these different products, they're built off of this. So they use the same technology through something called API. And what API means is it's no more complicated than just connecting softwares together. That's all it is. So when I type in something here on Koala, it's communicating to OpenAI and saying, do this for me. And it's prompting it a different way. This is the exact same thing as that Agent GPT website. And there's a lot of marketing behind these things, honestly, but I feel like this tool is going to be the best, not only because it's free, but more importantly, because it's so versatile. And when you use it in a platform like this is almost like I don't want to say a sandbox, but it's almost like a confined area. And that confined area, you can only produce certain results with it. Now, this is not bad. Am I saying that it's bad? No, because it's built off of a good platform. But is it worth it? I wouldn't say so. I would say if you're really focused on building your blog, I would say save the money or put it towards something else. That's just my opinion. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon. Peace out. Bye.